This is the story of Jersey, an extraordinary cockatoo who proved that intelligence and emotion have nothing to do with wing size.
Jersey, if you want to do a dance, say I. Okay, let's go do one.
When I first met her, I had no idea she would change my life forever. One day, my then-boyfriend arrived holding a small box. He gently opened it, and out popped a snow-white head with a soft crest and curious eyes. A cockatoo!
Jersey, you like your puzzle?
Her beak tapped the edge of the box like she was asking, "Where am I?" That gift wasn't just a bird, it was the beginning of our future. Years later, we're married, and Jersey is family. But her life could have been very different. She was originally meant to be kept in a small outdoor cage just for decoration. The moment she came home with me, I knew she deserved more.
What? No. You can't have a donut.
I noticed marks on her wings, feather plucking caused by stress and loneliness.
Yeah? You little baby?
Tests showed nothing physically wrong. The vet told us the truth. It was emotional trauma. Jersey didn't need medicine. She needed love, attention, and connection. So I made her a promise. She would never feel alone again. And she blossomed. Jersey is incredibly intelligent. She plays hide and seek, hides her toys, and remembers exactly where she puts them. She talks, jokes, and has strong opinions, especially about people. Ignore her, and she'll let you know she's offended. She loves music. When her favorite song plays, she dances. Once, she pecked a speaker until the song changed and then celebrated like she won. But more than smart, she's loving. Sometimes she crawls under my blanket, rests on my chest, and gently taps my arm with her beak as if to say, "I'm here." Every morning, she greets me with a cheerful, "Hi," like it's the best day of her life. I've raised birds my whole life, but Jersey is different. She understands emotions. She feels moods. She loves deeply. She taught me something important. Birds like her aren't decorations or pets meant for cages. They're sentient beings with hearts, memories, and souls. Every day with Jersey is a miracle. She's my soul in feathers, and I can't imagine life without her.
Can I have a kiss? Thank you.